Okay, noise cancellation is on low. Let's do some real-world testing of this mic. Everybody knows that if you just have some wind noise, like in normal situations, this mic is gonna be great. But let's test it properly. This is connected via Bluetooth to my Ace Pro 2 that I'm recording on right now. I'm going to put it in my helmet. Right now I just wanna see how the different connection types work. Is there a difference between the Bluetooth connection and just connected via the receiver on the Type-C port on the Ace Pro 2? So let's see. This is as bad as it gets with wind noise and this small 50cc bike. It's loud as it can be. So if you can still hear me talking properly, I would say that would be a win for the DJI Mic Mini 2. I'm not going to go far, I'm just going to circle around here so we can see the different connection type. Okay, so that was the Bluetooth. Let me see if I can connect it to the receiver right now and see the difference. Okay, so this is the receiver, and I'll set it to, I guess that's off, so no noise cancellation. Okay, so this is connected via the Type-C receiver directly into the Ace Pro 2. Before it was connected with Bluetooth, and in theory this should be a better connection directly into the receiver. Let me put on my glasses. Okay, so this should sound better than the Bluetooth connection, but I'll see you later. And that was without any noise cancellation. Let me just turn on noise cancellation on low. Okay, noise cancellation is on low. Let's wait for that car to go. And this will be the exact same test with the receiver and noise cancellation turned on. I really have no idea what to talk right now. Let me just repeat that this is connected via the Type-C receiver directly into the Ace Pro 2, and I'm on a 50cc scooter, so this is the worst scenario for this small mic, and the noise cancellation is set on low. This should be better than the Bluetooth connection. Let's see. One more option, we got to set the noise cancellation on high. Okay, we got the receiver connected directly into the Ace Pro 2 and the noise cancellation is set on high. So let me know how that sounds. This is a test of the DJI Mic Mini. Maybe I'll have to go another round because I got traffic right here and I cannot go fast. Okay, no cars, and I think we are good to go. So This is the DJI Mic Mini connected with the Type-C receiver directly into the Ace Pro 2. And maybe I should talk quieter because maybe that's too loud for the mic. I don't know, I'll have to see later. But this is with the noise cancellation on high. Sometimes the noise cancellation on low works better. I'll have to see later. And we'll go back around. I can actually switch the modes on the fly right now. On the receiver, I think I turned it off. Yeah, so this is without any noise cancellation, but I'm trying to not talk that loudly. Let me try. Okay, I think I got it. So this should be noise cancellation on low. I don't know, I haven't heard it. This is the first test I'm doing. I would guess that the noise cancellation on low would work the best.